These are the best wall mounted solar lights you'll ever buy, and they won't cost you a penny to run. Hi everyone, I'm Becky and this is the Solar Centre, where solar lighting actually works. This is everything you need to know about the Truro solar wall light. Let's get into it. The Truro solar wall light has been a customer favourite for many years now, probably because it works flawlessly without the need for mains cables or energy bills. This light emits 40 lumens and has been designed to absorb the maximum amount of sunlight possible, even in those harsher British months. This light is available in two colours. We've got the brushed 201 stainless steel and the matte anthracite grey. Let's open up the box and have a look. Inside the box we've got the instructions, the screws and the light itself. This light measures at 12.7 centimetres tall, 6.1 centimetres wide and 11.8 centimetres deep. This light is super easy to set up. Let me show you how. You're first going to have to unscrew the bottom of the light to access the on-off switch. So this light has two options. We've got P, which is the power saving mode, and we've got S, which is the standard mode. Power saving mode dims the light slightly to extend run times and maximise efficiency. We highly recommend using this setting on your light. Once you have chosen your setting, you'll need to reattach the bottom of the light. You then need to take your wall bracket out, which can be found in this part of the light. Take the screws and drill this bracket to a wall or a fence. Once you've done that, the light should just slide on. Then just take the remaining screws to secure this light to the wall fixing. This light has a dust sensor built in, which means it turns on automatically when it gets dark and runs for roughly 10 hours on a full charge. Make sure you place this light in a sunny spot with no obstructions like trees or roof eaves. We also offer a version of this light with a motion sensor rather than a dust sensor, an ideal choice if you're looking for more of a security or welcome light. If you're seeking a contemporary warm white glow in your garden, the Truro wall light truly is the best option. If you have any questions about this light, please do leave a comment below. Be sure to like and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon if you want to stay up to date with our videos. Thanks so much for watching and we'll see you in the next one.